Hey guys, Raptor here. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back in another YouTube video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get an early update of my upcoming videos. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can mine Raven coin on Hiveon Pool. So Hiveon Pool is the pool from the HiveOS mining operating software. You can easily mine Bitcoin, Raven coin and Ethereum Classic on Hiveon official pool. So as you can see on the Hiveon best Raven coin mining pool, the most profitable Raven coin mining pool for GPU rigs. Here you can see Raven coin mining address and paste your mining address and explore your mining stats. Daily earning around $1.25 for 100 mega hash. Pool hash rate is around 1.22 terahash and the Raven price is around 0.01987 cents. As you can see on CoinGecko, 0.01887 while recording this video, and the date is 24 June 2024. So the reward type of this pool is PPS plus, and here you can see the server list. Why choose Hiveon Raven Pool? 0.5% pool fees, so that is the very reasonable pool fees. We fully absorb transaction cost, so no transaction cost for this pool. $0 for HiveOS mining Raven on Hiveon Pool. PPS plus mining pool reward type. 24 out of 7 supports. Shit happens, we are anytime to help you figure it out. So let's jump over to the HiveOS account and I'll show you how you can mine Raven coin on Hiveon Pool. So here is my HiveOS account. So if you don't have your HiveOS account, please check out HiveOS best operating system for your mining rig. Link is available in the video description and you can use my promo code RaptorHive to get $10 on sign up. So open the form and here you can see my rig. I'm currently solo mining Nexa on woollypoly.com with 2 RX 580. You can see the hash rate 16.66 mega hash per card. For starting the mining process, you first need to make a flight sheet. So go to the flight sheets and here you can see add new flight sheet. Select the coin. Here you can see the Raven coin. Add the wallet address. So I'm using my Tinium hardware wallet addresses. Here you can see my Raven wallet address. Copy this and paste over here. So if you don't have your Tinium wallet, please check out tinium.com. Link is also available in the video description. Secure your crypto in hardware wallet. I do not recommend you to save your crypto on exchange addresses or hot wallets. You can buy Tinium on tinium.com with 2 new different summer collections, and you can use my promo code Raptor to get 10% off on your purchase. Check out, link is available in the description. So name the wallet. I'm giving Tinium RVN. Just click on create. So here you can see our wallet is created. Select the pool. You can see on the top Hiveon free HiveOS official pool. After this, Hiveon configuration on the SSL URLs and click on auto raven.hiveon.com and here you can see 7777 port. Click on apply. Select the miner. So in my case, I'm using the Team Red miner for AMD cards. If you have NVIDIA card, you can choose related miner like NB miner or PZ miner or something like that. So give the flight sheet name. I'm using Raven Hiveon. So click on create flight sheet. So here you can see our flight sheet is successfully created. So go back to the workers and click on the worker. Go to the flight sheet and here you can see currently Nexa flight sheet is running. Just click on Raven and launch the flat sheet. Here you can see worker updated successfully. So it takes some time to configure, and here you can see rig configuration changed. So it takes some time to update all the stats. So for overclocking the RX 580 for Ravencoin, I'm using the hasher.no website. You can get all the information and overclock settings for your GPUs on hasher.no. Link is also available in the video description. So for RX 580, the core clock is 1190 MHz. Click on overclocks and 1190. The memory clock is 2000 MHz. 2000, and the undervolt is 875, and it's same. Just click on save. So here you can see our worker updated successfully. Overclocks are set. Just give it some time to update. Click on refresh. Okay, it's updated. For checking your Ravencoin mining stats, go to the Hiveon official pool and click on the Raven mining pool and paste your wallet address here and click on explore. So here you see, give it some time to completely update all the stats.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so as you can see, our worker is successfully online on Hiveon Ravencoin Mining Pool and all the stats are completely showing. So here you can see estimated daily earning is 4.77 Raven. That will increase time by time. Total paid 0 and the last payout 0. Withdrawal threshold is 10 Raven. So if you hit 10 Raven, minimum 10 Raven withdrawal threshold, your payout is automatically processed in your wallet. So as you can see, our hash rate stats and the worker is online. You can see the rig details and the valid shares. So as you can see on Hive Shell start live stat of the mining, you can see that our rig is giving 26.45 mega hash. That is pool status, and the GPU status is around 27 mega hash from 2 cards, and the shares are accepted. So for checking the daily revenue, add your hash rate on Raven mining pool. So our hash rate is around 26 mega hash. So our daily revenue is 16.40 Raven. That is around $0.32. So for checking the advance, here enter your hardware details. So my cards are AMD RX 580, 2 cards, 13.98 mega hash, around 130 watts power consumption, and the electricity cost is 0 because I'm using the solar power.
Yeah boy.
So around 17.64 Ravencoin is my daily earning, and the 529 Ravencoin monthly. So my estimated profit of month is $10. Here is my HiveOS stats. Please ignore this first card because this have some issue. So that's pretty much for it guys. I want to share with you how you can mine Ravencoin in 2024 on Hiveon official Ravencoin mining pool. Remember guys, this is not a financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Always do your own research before setting up your mining hardware or overclocking. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and share, and if you have any questions related to crypto mining, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep mining. See you guys later in the next video. Goodbye.